Welcome to day 10 of Beginner Yoga Challenge. Our practice today is focused on the upper body, your neck, shoulders, arms, and upper back. And we will start by finding a comfortable seated position. You can sit on your heels or cross your legs like I do here. Maybe sit up on a blanket or a cushion. Any comfortable seated position where you can stay for the first 5 minutes of the practice. Sit up nice and tall with neutral spine. And then slowly drop your chin down to your chest, stretching the back of the neck. Inhale, lift your chin up to the sky, stretching the front of the neck. Exhale, drop the chin down. Keep moving like this, matching breath with movement. Bring your head back to center and move it side to side. Bring your head back to center, drop your chin, and start making small circles with your head, very gently moving your neck. Your breath stays slow and stable. And switch your direction a few circles to the other side. Notice where you feel the stretch on the neck as you move your head. Bring your head back to center and make some circles with your shoulders. Switch direction. And relax your shoulders. Interlace your fingers, pressing the palms away from you. Inhale, reach your arms up, stretching through the sides of your body. Keep your hands open if that feels better on your shoulders. Otherwise, press your palms up to the ceiling. Take a big inhale here. With exhale, move your hands forward, rounding the back and dropping your head down. Inhale, lift your arms up, pressing the palms up to the ceiling. Exhale, round the back, pressing the hands away from you. Inhale to reach up. Exhale to round the back. A few more on your own. Continue to move with your breath. And release your arms. Maybe switch the cross of your legs. Lower your right ear towards your right shoulder, keeping your left shoulder down. Feel the stretch on the left side of the neck. For a deeper stretch, you can use your hand to gently press your head down. But if you feel enough stretch, just keep that hand on the knee. Bring your head back to center and lower your left ear towards your left shoulder. Keep your right shoulder down. Slowly bring your head back to center and then lay down on your belly. Straighten your right arm on the floor in line with the right shoulder, palm facing down. Left hand next to your chest. Press through your left hand to roll to your right side. Maybe bending your left leg and placing the foot on the mat for support. Find the position where you feel the stretch on the front of the right shoulder and chest, and stay there for a couple of breaths. Slowly roll back to your belly. Straighten your left arm. Pressing through your right hand, roll to your left side, finding that stretch on the front of the shoulder. Keeping your legs straight or bending one leg. Roll back to your belly. This time place your right arm in 90-degree angle, elbow in line with the shoulder and hand in line with the elbow. Slowly roll to your right side, finding that stretch on the front of the right shoulder. And you might notice that it feels different when your arm is bent. Maybe you cannot roll over so much, maybe you feel a deeper stretch on the chest. Roll back to your belly and place your left arm in 90-degree angle. Slowly roll into your left side. Find the position that feels good and breathe there. Roll back to your belly and place your forearms parallel to each other on the mat, elbows underneath the shoulders, Sphinx Pose. Press down through your forearms to lift your chest and think of dragging your forearms back towards your feet while pulling your chest forward between your upper arms. Trying to bring the shoulder blades closer together. Breathing deeply into the chest in this pose. One last time, breathe in Sphinx. Breathe out, lower forehead to the ground. And press yourself up to your hands and knees. Round your spine for cat pose, just to counterbalance the back bend. Take one big breath in cat pose. And bring your spine back to neutral position. Make sure hands are shoulder width apart, knees hip distance apart. With inhale, reach your right arm up, looking up to your right thumb. Exhale, thread your right arm underneath your left armpit, lowering your right shoulder and right side of the head for thread the needle pose. Breathe deeply into your upper back here, in the area between the shoulder blades. Inhale, lift your right arm, open into the right. Exhale, right hand down to the mat. Other side, lift your left arm as you inhale. Exhale, left shoulder down to the mat, coming into twist. A couple of deep breaths here. Inhale, lift your left arm, open into the left. Exhale, hand down to the mat. Now come into kneeling position, sitting on your heels. Lift your left arm up and bend the elbow so that the hand comes between your shoulder blades. With the other hand, gently press the elbow down so that you feel the stretch on the shoulder. You can stay here or try to bring your right arm behind, interlacing the fingers for cow face arms. You can also use a yoga strap here and hold it with both hands, trying to bring the hands closer together. Choose your variation and just breathe there. This can be quite an intense stretch on the shoulders. Slowly release your hands and shake your shoulders before we do the other side. Bend your right arm with hand between the shoulder blades. Gently press that elbow with the opposite hand. Or bring your right arm behind for cow face arms stretch. Your choice of variation here. You might notice that one side is harder, another one is easier. That's completely normal, just notice your imbalances. So when you practice on your own, you can hold one side a bit longer to balance it out. One last big breath here. And then slowly release your arms. Stay sitting on your heels if you feel fine in this position. Otherwise, cross your legs if that feels better. Relax your hands onto your thighs. Close your eyes for a moment. And pay attention to how your body feels, especially your upper body after this practice. Maybe you feel more space in your shoulders and upper back. Maybe your muscles feel more relaxed. Simply observe what you feel. And when you are ready, open your eyes. Thank you for practicing with me today. See you tomorrow.